This is Assignment Expert.
Today we will conquer Jupiter. Jupiter is the planet that moves around the Sun, and we know the eccentricity of its orbit, the semi-major axis, the gravitational constant, the mass of Jupiter, and the mass of the Sun. To conquer this planet, we need to find its total energy, perihelion and aphelion distances, and the speed of the planet at these points. 2. The total energy of the planet. It consists of kinetic energy and potential energy. Now let's assume that Jupiter is moving in a round orbit, circular orbit. Then the centripetal force is equal to the gravitational force. And this gives us that the kinetic force is equal to G times M of the Jupiter, M of the Sun, over 2R. Now we can take this and put into our initial formula. And we will get negative G times mass of the Jupiter times mass of the Sun over 2R. But in our case, Jupiter is moving in the elliptical orbit. Therefore, we get negative G times mass of the Jupiter times mass of the Sun over 2 times semi-major axis. Now we can find the total energy of the planet. So here's our formula for energy. Now let's apply it. So, first we have the gravitational constant. Then goes the mass of the Jupiter. And then the mass of the Sun. And they're divided by 2 times semi-major axis. And this gives us negative 1.61 times 10 raised to the 35th power of joules. Now, let's move on to perihelion and aphelion distances. According to Kepler's first law, any planet moves in an elliptical orbit with the Sun in one of the focuses of the ellipse. And perihelion is the shortest radius of this ellipse, and aphelion is the longest radius. So, according to this rule, the perihelion distance equals A times 1 minus E, and aphelion distance equals A times 1 plus E, where this is our perihelion and aphelion distances, these are semi-major axes, and this is the eccentricity of the ellipse. So, in our case, the perihelion distance is equal to 7.8 times 10 raised to 11th power times 1 minus 0.05, and this gives us 7.4 times 10 raised to 11th power meters, and here we get 7.8 times 10 raised to 11th power times 1 plus 0.05, and this gives us 8.2 times 10 raised to 11th power meters. Now, as we know perihelion and aphelion distances, we can find the speed of Jupiter at these 2 points. And for this, we will use orbital energy invariance law. The speed of the planet equals the square root of g times m times 2 over r minus 1 over a, where v is the speed at one of these points, g is the gravitational constant, m is the mass of the sun, r is perihelion or aphelion distance, and a is a semi-major axis. Now I will use my powers to find them, and we get that the speed at the perihelion point is equal to 13,768 meters per second, and the aphelion speed equals 12,425 meters per second. Now we know all we need to conquer Jupiter: its energy, perihelion and aphelion distances, and speed of Jupiter at these 2 points. You, join us, and let the force of knowledge be with you.